Hey, what's up everybody? Last year my girl bought herself a 2017 Toyota Rav4 and guess who's doing the maintenance on this car? Yep, me. In this video I'll cover the replacement of the cabin filter for this vehicle. Looking at the owner's manual, it is recommended to replace it every 30,000 miles or every 36 months, whichever comes first. The car had 27,000 miles when we bought it, and I'm assuming that it still has the original cabin filter, so it's time to replace it. I found this Fram filter at Walmart. It's made in Thailand. This should do. The cabin filter is located right behind the glove box. So first you need to take everything out of your glove box. Okay, we're all set now. On the right side of the glove box, you'll notice there's a damper for the glove box. Just pull it off. The glove box remains hooked in through some claws on the sides. Push in near the claws and the glove box will drop down. Don't worry if it falls off, we'll hook it back up later. With the glove box out of the way, we can see the cabin filter behind this cover. Next, we have to remove the cabin filter cover. Press the plastic tab and the door will come forward. Pull out the cabin filter. Here's a look at the old filter. There's a lot of dust in the pleats of the filter. The installation of the new filter can be confusing. The original Toyota cabin filter will have an arrow pointing up with the word up next to it, just like the filter cover has. This arrow indicates the orientation of the filter, so you should install it with the arrow pointing up, just as you see in this picture. The aftermarket filter made by Fram is different. It has the words airflow with an arrow indicating the flow of the air. If we look at the location of the blower and filter, we can see the air enters from the top, it passes through the filter and continues down to the bottom. So this Fram filter needs to be installed with the arrow pointing down. Now let's install the filter. Now we can replace the filter cover. The left side of the cover is slightly hooked. Insert it here first. Then snap in the right side of the cover. If the glove box door fell down, lift it up and then snap it back in place. Now lift the glove box door until you hear the claws on the sides snap into place. Now you can reinsert the damper on the side. Put everything back in the glove box and you're done. You can find the owner's manual online for this car, and it has more tips and information. There's a section for DIY maintenance where it shows you how to replace the cabin filter and a few other things on this car. Alright, that's all folks. Links and additional information will be included in the video description. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.